The era of the big tablet is officially under siege. For years, we've been told that if you want real power, you have to carry a massive 13-inch slab of glass that weighs down your bag and cramps your wrists. But deep inside Apple's design studio, a different philosophy has been brewing. A philosophy that says the most powerful computer is the one that actually fits in your hand. While the world was distracted by the iPad Pro's OLED screen and the MacBook's M-series chips, Apple was quietly preparing a sleeper hit that is about to cannibalize its own lineup. I'm talking about the iPad mini M5. And if you think this is just another small tablet, you are about to be proven very, very wrong. If you are listening to this right now, you are likely part of a specific group. You're the person who values portability, but refuses to sacrifice performance. You're the creator who wants to edit 4K video on a plane, the gamer who wants console-quality graphics on the subway, or the professional who needs a digital notebook that doesn't feel like a piece of plywood. The M5 iPad mini isn't just an update. It is a declaration that small is the new powerful. Today, we are stripping away the marketing fluff to look at the leaked benchmarks, the revolutionary 2-nanometer architecture, and the secret display technology that fixes the one flaw that has haunted the mini for years. Let's start with the heart of the beast. The M5 chip is not just a standard processor. It is a technological miracle. Moving to a 2-nanometer fabrication process means Apple has packed billions more transistors into a space smaller than a postage stamp. In the iPad mini, this creates a power-to-size ratio that is frankly terrifying. We are talking about a device that can outperform a fully spec'd-out Intel-based Mac Pro from just a few years ago, yet it's thin enough to slide into a jacket pocket. When you launch a heavy application like DaVinci Resolve or Octane X on this 8.3-inch canvas, it doesn't just run, it flies. The M5's high-efficiency cores mean that for the first time, we are seeing true all-day plus battery life in a small form factor. But why does this matter for the US consumer? Because the American lifestyle is built on mobility. Whether you're commuting in New York City or flying from LAX to Chicago, the friction of taking out a laptop is often too high. The iPad mini M5 removes that friction. It's the instant-on workstation. And with the introduction of Apple Intelligence 2.0, this device becomes your proactive assistant. The M5's dedicated neural engine is designed to handle on-device AI that learns your habits. It summarizes your meetings, suggests edits for your photos, and can even generate high-fidelity code snippets while you're sitting at a coffee shop. All without ever sending a single byte of your personal data to the cloud. Now we have to talk about the screen. The jelly scrolling controversy of the past was a scar on the mini's reputation. But with the M5 generation, Apple has finally listened. We are seeing the debut of the Promotion Mini display, a 120Hz LTPO panel that brings the buttery smooth fluidity of the Pro models to the small screen. But they didn't stop there. By utilizing a new tandem OLED structure similar to the high-end iPad Pros, the M5 mini delivers HDR peaks that make movies and games look hyper-realistic. The blacks are perfect, the colors are vibrant, and the brightness is high enough to work outside in the middle of a Texas summer without squinting. Let's talk about the gamer's dream. The US mobile gaming market is exploding, but there's always been a gap between phone gaming and console gaming. The iPad